All right, Glam Crew, today we are in Amber Cove and me and my son are heading to Ocean World. It's like an aquarium, zoo, you can do dolphin encounters. There's also a beach lagoon, lazy river, all of that. And I did just the day pass. If you want to add on encounters and all that other stuff, it's extra charges. A day pass, I want to say, was like $99 for me and $80 for my child. It does not include a meal. Y'all, I'm out of storage on my phone, so these last few days I can't vlog a lot. I do have a pasta making class. I'm going to show y'all a pasta making class, and I'm also going to be doing a Pilates workout class that is included in the spa room. Some lady gave us these, me and my son, one of these VIFP club. I believe if you are a platinum member, you get these. They have like a little platinum party. My little friend that I met, he in a platinum club. I'm gonna ask him. And I think these collapse, but you can easily attach it to your luggage. It's a water bottle. I think every month this gift changes or something, like every quarter or something like that. I'll be seeing in the Facebook group. But yeah, so we didn't have to wake up too early. We gotta head to Ocean World. These is our little tickets for Ocean World. So we barely got time to go get breakfast. Only thing open, because we're so late, is the Lido, and y'all know I can't take the buffet, but I'm gonna try. So we just gotta go down one level and we are at the Lido deck. So one thing that's nice about this 17th floor is you close to Lido if you like that. I'm not a buffet person, so it's really not a benefit for me except for when I want to go down to the spa. But yeah, gotta save some storage. This is the swimsuit for today. Y'all have saw this a few times, my favorite swimsuit. One of my subscribers got this for me and I love it. It goes really cute with my captain hat. I sound crunchy. I just woke up. Like, I had a ball last night, watched Family Feud, seen a comedy show. So yeah, last night was a ball. Had a little dinner date. It was a good time. Gotta go, Glam Crew. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that. I'll show y'all Ocean World too. Yesterday was lit in St. Thomas. I had a good solo day during the day part in St. Thomas. I definitely gotta come back to St. Thomas, but okay, let's get out of this room and go. Bye, Glam Crew. Me and little buddy out here. That's our ship right there, y'all. And the princess something. We at Amber Cove. We are heading to Ocean World. We just finished up a little breakfast. It's a little windy out here, but we're gonna make it work, right, Mia? We're gonna make it work? Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Everything. Feel a little windy out here, feel a little rain. If it rains, we're still gonna have fun, right? Yeah, we got hats. Yeah. The cool thing about Amber Cove, you do not need a shore excursion if you don't want to get a shore excursion. They have villas over the water right here. There's all type of water activities you can do right here at the port. Just walk down. There's shopping you can do, all type of stuff. You can even zip line at the port. There's a pool with a beach bar. There's a water park for the kids. Amber Cove got everything right here. And there is a beach. Somebody said there's not a beach at Amber Cove. I walked to it. You can walk to it in 15 minutes. You can see it while you're in the port, but you have to walk around, and it's about a 15-minute walk. But Amber Cove, everything you want to do, you can do right here. You don't got to pay for transportation or nothing. So if your port goes to Amber Cove, zip line, everything. You get good drinks, swim up bar, over the water bungalows, the beach, big pool. You can rent one of these thingies, a paddle boat. Yeah. And they have a big shopping area. You can get jewelry, all type of souvenirs, everything right at Amber Cove. You're the captain now? Yes, I'm the captain. I have to get somewhere to drive the boat. I'm on a time schedule. Bye, Glam Crew. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. I got like 2 minutes. No. My bus leaves in supposedly 10 minutes, so we got 10 minutes. We gotta walk real fast. But this pier walk is not that far of a walk. Hi. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so you want to snorkel first, and then mommy want to see the birds. Let's see if the birds are snorkeling as close. So right there, you see it says we are here. You see, over to the left by number 1 and 2. That way.
Show you why you must let the sharks all the time behind the eyes. Because if you try to put one finger from the mouth, absolutely guys, you get little stone fingers today. Now let me give you some information about them. They are called nurse sharks. They live inside the beaches and seashores from 0 to 7 centimeters deep in the eastern and western Atlantic Ocean. They can live as old from 40 to 50 years, growing 40 feet and weight over 400 pounds. Nurse sharks feed on weak or sick animals from the bottom of the sea, become the critters of Mr. Valdez, the big Lupina, Nemo, and the smallest one in the pool, Morena. Big bottom dweller with a small mouth, they are unable to consume large fish. They hold along and catch their prey from the sea floor only by sipping their prey into their mouth. Finally, this when the nurse sharks catch their prey, it's gonna make an unexpected something sound like this. Completely unique from these species. Ok, mi gente, aquí tenemos los tiburones gatas o tiburones nodriza. Estos animales pueden ser encontrados en aguas tropicales.
Look, this tell us which way to go. So snorkeling reef is that way. Let's follow the sign that way. My baby is so fearless. He out there with these big kids and don't speak no Spanish, and he just trying his best. Look at him. He back there somewhere. You see him? He is not afraid of nothing. Oh my goodness, look at this. I kind of want to go in there now. Look at the... I'm afraid, y'all, but my son is out there. Ah! We got Chooks snorkeling, y'all. I see you go under. We're in the bird sanctuary. They're everywhere. The lovebirds. They just landed on people's heads. Because we are in a Spanish-speaking country.
Eso fue divertido y ahora nos gustaría mostrarle el vínculo entre nuestros delfines y sus entrenadores. Aunque los delfines son depredadores, la confianza y la amistad permiten a nuestros entrenadores entrar en su hogar y pasar tiempo con ellos en el agua.
I don't think they're at home. I don't think they're at home. Look at all of this, buddy. You going down the water slide?
Look, 'cause we are in the Spanish speaking country. 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 'Cause we are in the Spanish spea
One of the many things I like about this ocean world, there are life jacket stations everywhere. Life jackets everywhere. For adults, kids, everybody. Glam crew? I'm fucked up. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Y'all, I can't even suck in my stomach. My second little drink. Let me show y'all the menu. Because the drink's only $10. I'm thinking it's about to be high. Y'all know, like, okay, so this is Dominican Republic Independence Day. So, you know, in America, Independence Day, we go over and over. We go on over to Six Flags. And Six Flags, some chicken tenders and a bottle of water gonna cost you $50. Ocean World, and it's a holiday. It's Independence Day for Dominican Republic, y'all. Let me show you the menu. This is my second little drink that I done got. $10. And the big pineapple is only $25. Watching my son, he done met him some little Korean friends. They real nice and sweet, y'all. I've never like chit-chatted with a Korean person. And these folks is real nice. They real nice to my son. The kids are respectable. So they are all right in my book. But let me show y'all the menu without spilling my drink. But the prices is cheap. So all of these drinks right here, $10 drinks. They got smoothies, they got ice cream, $7 ice cream, $4 ice cream. Long drinks, you get you a tequila for $12. Cocktails is $10. Some of them is even $8, $7. Yeah. So Long Island iced tea is $10 here at Ocean World. I just got me this burger and some chips. Oh my God. I ain't even got halfway through the burger. I'm so stuffed. He got a grill. It's a grill back there. This man is grilling burgers. Fresh burgers on the grill. Fresh burgers on the grill, y'all. They come to you. You get princess shrimp out here. They come up to you, ask which one. They bring it to you quick. It's life jackets everywhere. The kids is having fun. Dolphins. Touch the sharks. The feed the birds. And I don't see like no crazy upcharges for stuff. Everything is reasonably priced and even low. So y'all come on to Ocean World. I can even, oh, and it's been raining. It's been raining for like literally 30 seconds, and then the sun come back out and come out hot and bright. These chairs is free. Y'all, I'm mad at St. Thomas. You get to the beach and they charge you literally. When I first got there, they was like $7. I said, okay, I'm gonna go on over to Coral World. Don't be laughing how I'm talking, y'all, because the tequila done got up in me and I don't care what's going on. So you going over to Coral World, did that, came back. It was so packed. So many people. I didn't even see a place to put a chair, but you ask them what the price of the beach chair is, they said $15 now. The taxis in St. Thomas is one way. So when you say a $14 taxi, that's one way. One way. And then to get somewhere else, you pay whatever price to get there. Them taxi prices are outrageous. Like one way for this, and then it only be like a quick little 10-minute drive. What? So yeah, and they pack them buses and vans tight. So you pay your $14 to go one way. You sitting there and you waiting until the bus get packed with all these other people, and then the bus finally pull away. I don't like that. I ended up finding me a little private driver, and he was so nice. I ain't gonna put all his business out there because he don't want all that. But I will say, if you wanted personally a personal driver in St. Thomas, he said I could share with somebody like personally. So email me. I don't know if I'll put my email here. My email NicoleGlamTeacher@gmail.com, or send me a message on Instagram at glam_teacher and ask me about the driver in St. Thomas, and I got you. But St. Thomas was decent. I would go back, but I'm gonna do with my driver. A lot of little different things to see. Coral World was nice, but this Ocean World in Dominican Republic gotta be everything. One-stop shop. It's so big, y'all. It's so big. They got water slides back here. Got a swim-up pool with a bar right there. About to try and get my son out the sand. He done made him some friends. Try and get him to go to the pool, because I don't want to go in the pool and he over here in the sand. Even though the family, she was like, oh, he can play, I'll look after him. I still got to see my child too. I don't leave my child with just anything. I got to watch too. Even with my child with the babysitter, I'm watching from the camera. I'm watching. Watch your kids, y'all. They be snatching up the kids now. Watch them. I'm about to order me another little $10 drink. This how I got messed up in Princess Key. They had them good drinks back there for the low. Yeah. I still got like another 2 hours before my bus goes back to the port. These lifeguards, y'all gonna hear these whistles going off. The lifeguards here, they on them. They everywhere and they watching. It's life jacket stations everywhere, lifeguards everywhere, and they really doing their job. So if you really looking for something family friendly, we kind of let your hair down a little bit and your kid is okay, Ocean World. Other than that, Amber Cove, you don't need a excursion. It's everything to do at the port. But I'm gonna finish my drink. I'll catch y'all when I get back on the boat because I'm low on storage. But I'm having an amazing day, and the price is not even like, y'all just gotta come for yourself. I'm gonna tell y'all where to go and where not to go. This is where you should go, especially if you're on a budget and still want to have fun. Bye, Glen Crew.